Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Square store. Start by creating your free Square account. You can do this easily online or by downloading the Square Point of Sale app on your smartphone or tablet. During registration, you'll provide essential details like your business name, type, and contact information. Don't forget to link your bank account. This is crucial for receiving your payments quickly and efficiently. Square makes it simple to get started, guiding you through each step. Now, let's add your products and services. Head over to the Items section in your Square dashboard. Here, you can input all the important details for each item, such as its name, price, and a clear description. High-quality photos are a must to showcase your offerings. Remember to organize your items into categories. This helps customers find exactly what they're looking for and keeps your inventory tidy. Next, we'll customize your online storefront. Go to the Online Store section within your Square dashboard. You can select from various professional themes and then personalize your chosen design with your unique brand colors and logo. Think about how you want your customers to experience your shop. Arrange your product categories and highlight featured items to create an inviting and easy-to-navigate layout. Finally, it's time to launch your store. After reviewing all your settings, simply hit the Publish button to make your Square online store live. Once published, you can easily monitor all incoming orders directly from your Square dashboard or the mobile app. Remember to fulfill orders promptly and keep your customers informed about shipping or pickup details. Providing excellent service ensures happy customers and repeat business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.